Isang manigong Martes sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang January 4, 2022 edition ng the stock market today. The first Tuesday of the new year. Sabi nga nila, bagong taon, bagong Tuesday. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. I do this report daily. Sinimulan ko po noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating news tungkol sa business ay tungkol sa International Container Terminal Services at ang ating financial headlines ng Business World, kasama po ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 4, 2021 or 2022 rather, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. So this is our main news, but let's go to the corporate first. Yung corporate po natin ay tingnan lang po natin ang mga headlines. Shares trading of ACE Annex Core suspended on backdoor listing. PSE named best stock exchange in Southeast Asia. And then walang gaanong news eh. Alert level 3 to have minor business effects, sabi ni DTI. And so punta na po tayo. Maynila Labor Union Management signs CBA. Dito po sa ICTSI news po natin, ang kumpanya po ni Mr. Razon. So the ICTSI launches new feeder service. The business unit of the ICTSI in Argentina has launched a new barge feeder service that creates a new and direct link to Brazil and Asia. ICTSI said in a statement on Monday that PEC Plata SA, its business unit operating at the port of La Plata, Argentina, and the port of Santa Fe, introduced the new feeder service on December 9. The service will have a minimum 2 calls per month between Santa Fe and La Plata that will provide superior connectivity for a market estimated at 80,000 20-foot equivalent units. It also serves as an alternative river connection to Argentina's central northeast and northwest region, said ICTSI. Aside from providing lower inland cost alternative, the executive feeder service also contributes significantly to the reduction of carbon emissions between Greater Buenos Aires and the country's hinterland, the company said. According to ICTSI, Insuga SA and Adecoagro SA were the first companies to use the new feeder service to export bone meal to Vietnam and meal powder to Singapore respectively. So yun po ang ating news for the day. Tingnan po natin yung commentary ni Video Securities. We think that the new feeder service will help generate more revenues for ICT's port in Argentina, which has a capacity of 450,000 TEUs, accounting for 2% of ICT's total capacity. We have a buy rating on ICT with a target price of 215. Okay, so yan po ang ating news for the day. At ngayon ay tignan po natin ang ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Pero since this morning po ay down po ang index, so hopefully po before we take a look, magkaroon sana po ng trading ang PSE. So kung hindi po mangyayari yan at down pa rin by the time we go to the PSE index, we will just be reviewing the other most active stocks that figured out in trading in yesterday's transactions or in yesterday's trading. So, in the meantime, let's take a look at the latest comments. Sabi ni Cat's Big Water, yes, I have been wanting to deep dive on this topic, sir. Thanks for doing so. More power to your channel. Ito yung vlog na ginawa ko on the top 10 dividend stocks in the index in 2021. So salamat po, Cat's Big Water. And I hope you continue to support my channel and Miss JD's channel. Supportahan nyo rin po siya. I also strive to improve and make new content. If you haven't catch my interview with Miss JD, please do so. Noong December 30 ko po pinalabas. At marami po kayo matututunan sa kanya. Okay po, so maraming po salamat. For the Lisa Briones, Happy New Year po. Happy New Year din, Flor. So now let's take a look at what happened to the PSE index and the PSE transactions for the day. Okay, my broker texted me and said that there was cancellation of trading, and this was confirmed by a notice from Investa na meron ngang cancellation of trading today because of technical problems. So ito po yung PSE memorandum. So what we'll do right now is, since the closing price hindi po nag-move ang index, ang titingnan po natin yung next 6 na most active stocks noong January 3, at yun po ang titingnan natin at ita-tech analysis po natin. So this will be SMPH, ICT, ACEN, TEL, Ali, Ayala Corporation, and 6 na pala yun. Okay, so let's now start. So first time na-experience ko tong technical problem ni PSE. So SMPH, tingnan po natin si SMPH. So it went down and the sentiment is bearish. So yung ating support nandito po sa level na ito. Yan po, nasa 33.46, and the resistance would be here at this level here. Yan po, nasa 36.41. So yung RSI po is bearish at 39. So I think this is the effect of the Omicron, o yung increasing number of cases, of COVID cases during the new year. And may positive rate na po tayo sa NCR. So nasa alert level 3 na po ang NCR. So ICT is next. ICT, naku, red engulfing candlestick. Although the support of EMA 50 is holding, nasa 195 po yung kanyang presyo, and EMA 50 is at 193.33. So yan po. Yan po ang pinaka-support level. And if we will be draw nga tayo ng channel. Tingnan natin. So yung channel, madadraw natin with EMA 50 as support, di ba? So ang pinaka-resistance po niya nandito po sa taas, nasa 207.58, nasa 207 to 208 yung pinaka-resistance po. Kung channel po ang titingnan po natin, hindi po siya horizontal, kundi isang parallel channel po ang ginawa natin. So yan po ang aking take sa ICT. Bullish po siya. Bullish po tayo sa ICT. Okay, and yung presyo po ng ICT, actually ang pinaka fundamental po ni ICT ay nasa 215, more or less nasa ganung presyo po siya, yung fundamental price po ni ICT. So meron pang upside tayong makukuha from the stock. So after ICT, teka, confirm ko lang, tingnan ko lang to. So ICT ay nasa 215, tama po. Okay, after ICT, si ACEN naman. Yan, ACEN. Okay, red candlestick pa rin po. And this is the general sentiment of most stocks, especially those in the index. But ACEN is not an index stock, ano? Siya po ay isa sa mga most active stocks rather. Nasa 1022 po yung support niya. Yung kanyang resistance nandito po sa area ito. Nasa 1244. So nasa 39 po ang ating RSI, which is a bearish number. But in general, yung as I see the candlestick, red candlestick po ito, but the general movement of the stock is sideways. Then after ACEN, tignan naman natin si TEL. Yan, bullish pa rin si TEL. It had a green candlestick ending at 1812. And EMA 50 is acting as support. So, makita po natin yung dips dito. Yan sa area yan. Yan. Okay. So, nasa area yan, but which means that the EMA 50 is acting as our support for TEL. Pero yung tunay na presyo po niya ay nasa 1930 or a 6.5% upside. So, konti na lang po yung upside niya. Pero, pagka technicals po, makikita niyo po, bullish po eh. Oh. Kaya po kung titingnan po natin at gagawin din natin ng channel ito, gawan nga natin yung channel. Parallel channel. Yan. So, kung parallel channel po ang pagbabasihan natin, 1958, which is higher than or which is a bit lower than the fundamental price, ano? Pero ano pa siya eh? Kung i-extend pa natin yan, magiging some 2,000 already, no? So that's TEL, and it's yung RSI po niya ay nasa above the midpoint, nasa 54. And then after TEL, si Ali naman, Ayala Land. Mga leaders tong tinitingnan natin. Ha? Bearish din siya. And the general direction is sideways. So, kung let's draw a Darvas box. Dito natin makikita. A rectangle. So, bali, kung Darvas box po, ay, naku, ito lang pala yan. Diyan po yung Darvas box po natin, na ang upper border would be our resistance at 3680 and the support will be at 34. But the general direction of our indicators is sideways, no? RSI is bearish, no? Kasi may red candlestick po siya. Kasi yung last candlestick po niya is a red candlestick na sa 45. Then finally, we have Ayala Corporation. Yan. So, nagkaroon siya ng reverse hammer here noong January 3. Walang ganong volume. Pero the green candlestick sounds encouraging. Kasi yung pinaka-support po niya, yung EMA 100, nasa 837 po. And the price is lower than that. Pero pagka sinabi po natin support and resistance, ano po yan? Area po yan, hindi po yan exact point. Ngayon po, yung resistance naman po ni Ayala, nandito naman po sa area to. Nasa 896 to 900 po ang pinaka-resistance niya. And based on the 100-day EMA, ay pataas pa rin po yung kanyang trend. Yung RSI niya, however, is low dahil nasa 41 po yung kanyang level. So that's what we can say of the index yesterday. It's just a continuation since there was no trading today, as the PSE is having technical problems. So, bakan po natin tomorrow, sana po mag-resume na ang trading. Yan po ang ating stock market report, ika-4 ng Enero 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.